YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Prez360, and today I figured we could do a pandemic build. I'm stuck at home, you're stuck at home, so I figured why not build a computer? I don't want to hold you up. I'm anxious to build this, so let's get right to it. Okay, so this is everything here that we will be putting together today for the computer. It is going to be a Ryzen build. This is the Ryzen 5 3600X, if I'm not mistaken. This is the RAM here. This is the motherboard, SSD, obviously Windows 10. We got a 2TB hard drive, 3.5, power supply, graphics card, and this is the case that we'll be putting everything into. Time to unbox. Okay, so we have everything unboxed, and I just wanted to give a little introduction to basically everything that's here. So over here is the case. This is the Cooler Master case. You may not be able to see it now, but it actually has 3 fans. If you come around here on the inside, it's a little dark. You should be able to see the fans in there. These are RGB fans. You can see I have both sides off. This is a tempered glass on this part. Next, we have the motherboard. This is a beautiful motherboard, very beautiful. This is the X570 fitting AM4, 500 watt EVGA power supply. Obviously, this is the power cord for it. This is the 2TB hard drive here. This is the way it looks if you've never seen an actual hard drive. This is the CPU cooler for the CPU. See, this is the CPU here. This is the cooler here. This is the SSD, and all of these little components belongs to the motherboard. SATA cables, and this looks like an antenna for the Wi-Fi part. This here actually looks like an extended piece for the case. When you plug in for the case, the components for the case, each of these have an important piece. So in order to get the computer to turn on, the cords from the case has to be connected properly in each slot. It's on both sides, so they're labeled differently. This is like an extended piece. This is the RAM here, 16 gigs. I don't like taking the RAM out because it's, it's very fragile. And this here is the graphics card, 1660 Ti, 6 gigs. So yeah, I'm gonna start building.
It's like hell on earth for me, so I stay on the moon. I stay on the moon. I stay on the moon. My demons hail through the room. It's like hell on earth for me, so I stay on the moon. 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 Yeah, I stay on the moon. All I do is break it down, roast them up and fill a room. Lonely stoner, don't need friends, just all the smoke that I consume. I know that it won't end when I come down, bullshit resumes. So I smoke and let the clouds fill the room. It's like hell on earth for me, so I stay on the moon. I stay on the moon. I stay on the moon. My demons hail tall through the room. It's like hell on earth for me, so I stay on the moon. My demons hail tall through the room. It's like hell on earth for me, so I stay on the moon. I stay on the moon. Yeah, I stay on the moon. All I do is break it down, roast them up and fill a room. Lonely stoner, don't need friends, just all the smoke that I consume. I know that it won't end when I come down, bullshit resumes. So I smoke and watch the clouds fill the room. It's like hell on earth for me, so I stay on the moon. No, this ain't the first for me when it come to making moves. Most of y'all really the worst for me, I just know it, I don't need proof. But still I know my role. Play stupid, really smart, there's only a few people who know. I'm really not too fond of situations I can't control. But I know, yeah, and you know, yeah, that I know. My demons hail tall through the room. It's like hell on earth for me, so I stay on the moon. My demons hail tall through the room. It's like hell on earth for me, so I stay on the moon. I stay on the moon.
Okay, so the PC is finally built. I truly believe in that cable management is in the eye of the beholder, so I will not show you my cable management because, mind you, this is not a non-modular power supply, so it's kind of, cables are flying everywhere, but I try my best. Maybe I'll show a picture if you guys request it, but other than that, it is what it is. I haven't turned it on yet, but I will be installing Windows 10. Hopefully it turns on. Yeah, so I connected the SSD drive first with the SATA and power to go towards it. And the second drive, I only connected the SATA cable, which it won't turn on. I wanted to actually install Windows 10 on the proper SSD drive, or I should say the proper drive, storage drive. So once I do that, then I'll connect the second drive, set that up, and boom. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Flipped it on. Okay. Fans are spinning.
How can I lose when everybody wants shit from me? Being broke is just a move. No, I don't ever wanna hear you love me. I don't plan on being cool with any of you niggas. Buddy, worth the mother nigga move. I ain't really in the mood.
What that shit sound like?